Hey guys, Richard here. Hey, I'm just out in the garage kind of piddling around, and I thought I'd grab a camera and show a couple of things to you about this Meet One trike. Look at this. Meet One. This is the tour model that I released a short video on a couple of days ago. So this is another short video just to kind of share a couple of things with you. This thing right here is just amazing. I tell you what. You know, it's got that motorcycle vibe because it's got motorcycle quality. And it's got some really heavy duty components and things on it, and it just makes it just amazing. What's most amazing about this is just how well it rides. The smoothest bike, trike, anything I've ever ridden right here. Just smooth, it corners so well, no leaning, no tipping, just amazing how this thing performs. But let's take a quick look here. So you got the motorcycle double crown style forks up here, of course suspension. You got the front hub motor there. You've got a rear hub motor back there, so it's two motors. Look at this, you got a battery on this side, I'm currently charging. You got a battery on that side. Look at this frame. Look how heavy duty this frame is when they bolted it together. It came in two pieces. Oh, it didn't come in two pieces. It comes almost fully assembled, but at the factory they designed it, I guess, in two pieces and they bolted together. Kind of interesting. I mean, just everything about this is just heavy duty. Come back here, look at these fenders, pretty unique in its design. Really good tires, nice motorcycle street tread type tires there. Big, huge hydraulic brakes. I think, if I'm not mistaken, those are 4-piston hydraulic brakes too. I got to double check that, but I'm pretty sure it was. Just an amazing trike. Up here, really interesting button pad up here. You've got your horn. You've got your up and down pass level. You got blinkers on both sides. Here's your mode button so you can toggle through your odometer, trip, whatever. There's the power button right there. Nice looking display. Yeah, right now it's flashing because it's saying that we're in pass 1, so it's rear motor only. But if you bump it up to pass 2, it switches to dual motor, and then pass 3 is dual motor. This only has 3 pedal assist settings, but I'm told you can change that to make it 5. I'm just waiting for some instructions from the company to be able to do that. Big honking headlight up here, motorcycle style headlight. Yeah, man, this thing is gorgeous. Just absolutely amazing. Be looking for the videos because I'm going to be making a lot of videos about this, how it performs, out riding it. And yeah, I'm going to bring you all that content. That's going to be it for this one. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss those.